Hello and welcome to a Mitsubishi Electric Quick Tips video. Today we're going to talk about how to change the monitor display using an PU07. At first, the output frequency in hertz to the motor is displayed. The first step is to press the Shift key. The output current in amps to the motor is displayed. Next, press the Shift key again. The output voltage in volts to the motor is displayed. Then press the Shift key again. The option to monitor the alarm history is displayed. Press the Read button if desired. Next, press the Shift key again. An option to selectively monitor values is displayed. Press the Shift key again. The three-step monitor screen is shown. And finally, press the Shift key again. The monitor returns to the output frequency in hertz.